In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate sales reports from Shopify using our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or new to the platform, understanding how to access and export your sales data can significantly enhance your business insights and decision making. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to your Shopify admin. You'll start on the home page, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to navigate to the analytics section. This is where Shopify houses all the data that can illuminate everything from customer behavior to sales trends. Look for the Analytics tab on the sidebar of your admin interface and give that a click. Now that you're in Analytics, your next move is to click on the Reports section. Think of this area as your data hub. It's packed with different reports that can give you insights into everything from traffic to sales and customer acquisition. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll be greeted with a list of available reports. This is where your exploration can really begin. What specific report are you interested in? Take your time to explore the list and select the report that aligns with the data insights you're seeking. This could be anything from a sales report to something focusing on product analytics. Click on the report that interests you to probe deeper into the numbers. Once you've selected your report, it's time to configure it. Pay close attention to customizations like setting the date range. This step is crucial as it allows you to narrow down the data to a specific period, providing a more focused analysis relevant to your goals. Adjust the parameters as necessary to ensure you're viewing exactly the data you need. Next, look for the Options button. It might be represented by an icon or simply labeled as Options. Click on it to review the available actions. Here, you have the chance to export your report, which is the next step in the process. Choose Export from the options that appear. At this stage, Shopify will offer you a few format options for your export, typically including options like CSV or PDF. Choose the format that best suits how you plan to use your data. For example, if you prefer to manipulate and analyze data using a spreadsheet program, opting for a CSV file might be the best route. After selecting your preferred format, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click on Export. Shopify will generate the report and provide you with a downloadable file. Depending on the size of your report, this might take a few moments. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and exported a sales report from Shopify. Keeping track of your sales data this way can provide invaluable insights into your business and help guide your strategic decisions moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you harness the full power of Shopify Analytics.